Google's I/O conference with a lot of AI news and more. All of this in this episode of Developer News for the calendar week 21. JetBrains announced a new Kotlin plugin for Visual Studio Code. It is currently in alpha stage. To use it, you just have to install the Kotlin by JetBrains plugin from the Visual Studio Marketplace. It then automatically connects to the Kotlin language server. Two short news regarding GitHub. First, the code for GitHub Copilots for Eclipse extension is now open source under the MIT license. It's always nice to see software getting open sourced. And secondly, issue fields for organizations are now generally available and are out of the private preview stage. So you can start using them today. The big block of news this week is definitely Google's I/O conference, with a lot of news to AI. First up, we have Google's AI agent platform, Anti-Gravity. Anti-Gravity 2.0 is a new standalone desktop app, which in my opinion looks very similar to the GitHub Copilot app because it also serves a similar purpose. It lets you manage all your agent tasks and even schedule new recurring tasks. The new Anti-Gravity CLI will succeed the old Gemini CLI, and Google recommends you switching to the new Anti-Gravity CLI. There's also a new mobile app for Google's AI Studio that lets you work on your AI projects on the go. There were a lot of other AI news. I recommend you checking them out in the full article that are linked down in the description. That's it for this week. Leave a like if you liked the video, subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode, and goodbye!